Hello everyone, welcome back to the MEP QAQC Pro channel. And today we are diving into the world of MEP systems and learning how to prepare a professional method statement. Whether you are engineers or the experienced engineers or the whoever as a fresher, this guide will help you streamline for your process and ensure a compliance. Let's get started. So, how to prepare a method statement for any MEP systems. So, without wasting a time, let's get started. What is method statement? Method statement is a document that outlines the step-by-step process for executing a specific task, ensuring safety, quality, and compliance. सो बेसिकली एक मेथड स्टेटमेंट क्या होता है मेथड स्टेटमेंट एक प्रॉपर डॉक्यूमेंट होता है जो स्टेप बाय स्टेप प्रोसीजर्स जो आप साइट में इम्प्लीमेंट करेंगे वो थ्रू डॉक्यूमेंटेशन यू नीड टू सबमिट टू द कंसल्टेंट और द क्लाइंट फॉर अप्रूवल that you have to tell them or you have to elaborate them that how the process going to be done at site and what are the roles and responsibilities and what are the materials to be used and everything you will be implemented on this method statement. So that is why it is called a pre-method statement also, or pre-construction method statement, that is also known as method statement. It ensures a safe work practice, provide clarity to the team, and act as a preference for audits and inspection. So once your method statement is approved through the consultant or the client, then you have to do the inspection. You have to start your work so that you will do the inspection based on the method statement. So all this process will be included in the method statement. So the next one is key components of method statement. So what are the key components of method statement? Every method statements that must include some key points which is necessary when while you are submitting the method statement. You have to implement all this point in the method statement. So there are six, as per my concern or my view. There are the first six uh, key components to be implemented or to be added in the method statement. The first one is the project information. So once you are preparing the method statement, you need to add your project name, location, and what are the drawings which are to be submitted for the particular of that works that need to be explain or that need to be write as a reference for the during preparing of the method statement. So you need to add all this drawings number, project specification number, material submittal number. Everything should be there as a project information. The next one is a scope or work. So what is the scope of work? Suppose an example, I'm giving one example, like i- in your project you need to install the duct. So your scope is installation of the duct. So you have to write scope like supply, installation, testing, commissioning, everything you need to include. Like example, as I said, for the installation of duct, so you need to mention that this method statement as a scope of installation of duct, installation of chill water, installation of refrigerant pipes, and so on, so on. So that you need to include in the scope of work. The next one is resource. When you are going to start your work at site, you need some resources, right? So the resources should be like tools, equipment, manpowers, engineers, subcontractor, everything you need to write as a in the resource section. Then the most and the foremost step is the sequence of work. Step by step procedure you need to include how you are going to start installation, what are the procedures, how which materials to be improved, which material you need to add in that sequence of operation. That all you need to add one by one as a sequence of works, and how you are performing the full work at site, that all need to be in written paper. So that all, everything should be is in as a sequence of work you need to add here. Then after that, safety measures. So what are the safety, when you are going to do the work outside, you have to implement, or you have to be prepared for the safety. So while safe for the safety measure, you need to be consult with your safety officer or engineers, whoever is there, that you are going to start duct installation. So you have to assess them that okay, we need some risk assessment regarding the this type of works. So they will implement the plan and they will mitigate all these plans as per your method statement, and they will prepare for you the risk assessment. So that also need to be attached in the method statement. And the last one is also a topmost after the sequence of work, because when you are submitting this method statement, this inspection testing procedures means quality control, that is ITP, which is known as ITP. That is very most important procedure you need to be added in the method statement. If you will not add this in the method statement, maybe your method statement will be getting rejected from the client or the consultant. So quality control has to be added in the method statement, which is inspection testing procedures. So basically ITP is a very big topic. For sure, I will clear it in the upcoming session. I will teach you how you can prepare the ITP, and what are the things are under the ITP, and what are the control points, acceptance criteria, everything that need to be added. For example, I will tell you in very quick. Like suppose you are going to start what is called HVAC. In HVAC, you are going to start duct installation. So in the ITP, we are actually adding a procedure that from the beginning to the end, how the works to be done at site, and who are the responsibility, and what are the control points, and what are the roles and responsibility. And you will also add for the consultant, subcontractor, main contractor, client as a whole points. That will be, I will for sure in the next upcoming session I will clear about the inspection testing plan. That is very most important topic actually. The next one is, yeah, as example, what's a statement for HVAC installation? So first you need to see the site preparation, material delivery. Then you will do the MIR inspection. That also I will clear in the next upcoming session. How you have to do, or you have to perform the material inspection at site. Then after that you will add the installation of ductworks procedures, everything step by step. Then you need to write the other thing like when your duct is connecting to the HUs, and or chill water connecting to the VRF, or refrigerant pipe to connecting to the VRF units. So all this procedure you will add. And at the end, like testing commissioning also, sometimes some method statement is only for the installation, some method statement consists installation, supply, installation, testing and commissioning also together. So either it's depend upon your project, how you have to do. It's depend upon how your consultant needed. Sometimes consultant needed like separate installation should be separate, and after that you need to submit testing commissioning procedure. That also we will conclude in the next upcoming session. Then the next one is the tips of creating effective method statement. See, as a QAQC engineer, you must know how to be perform, or how to be write the method statement, because this is a very most important things you need to organize, or you need to prepare your all the things in the method statement. Because see, if you will not submit the method statement, maybe you are performing the work outside, maybe you will get NCR. That is not good for the company and not good for you as a QC engineer. So you need to ensure every single systems, every single things which you're going to perform at site, that has to be a method statement procedure. Okay, so I'll give you some small, the steps how you can prepare a method statement. You need to be ensure first thing, you have to be clear your mind that while before preparing the method statement, first to be clear and concise what are the things you are going to perform, or what are the things you are going to install first. From the beginning of project, it's not necessary to you have to do all the things in at the same time. First maybe you will do underground things, then the slab work, after that the slab, then first fix, second fix, third fix, everything will come in the sequence. So you need to be ensure, okay, what are the things to be going outside in after 6 months or after 3 months. So that you need to prepare and you need to clear your mind, okay, this method statement I need to be ensures to be has to be submitted before 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 6 weeks prior to start the work. That need to be clear and concise. The third one is use visual like diagrams, flowchart. Okay, when you are preparing the method statement, I will I will tell you how you can make a method statement is very clear and looks very beautiful and very, the smartest way of making method statement. You need to add some diagram and flow of charts. Like in the method statement, we sometimes we are writing regarding like how the material to be handled. So you can add some pictures, okay, you will take the boom ladders, or how you will keep the materials, everything, and attach some photos so it will look like you know good as a method statement, and it impress to the consultant or the client the way you are doing. You have to add some flow chart, okay, this is the procedures, who will handle that one, who will handle this one, how you perform testing, how you perform installation, who are the responsible person. As a flow chart you can show, it will look like, yeah, it will be very clear. So the consultant or client, they will not read all the statement. They will, if they will see the flow chart, it alas, it will be clear. So uh, so that need to be add also when you are, after experience, once you are very experienced, after that you will understand, okay, add some flow chart here, diagram here, photo here, like this. That will be good for you. Involve the team in the preparation process. Okay, that is also a good things. When you are preparing the method statement, you need to be ensured the whatever things you are preparing, you have to show you to your senior, to your engineers, to your project engineers, that you prepare these things, can you please review it as per the specification I have prepared, as per the material statement or material technical material if they will do some comment, you can rectify it. So it's better to be circulated to the whole team once you are prepared and prior to the submit to the consultant. So that will be give you more clear, and even though those who are not aware, they will be aware while you sharing the information with them prior to the start the work. Okay, regularly update the document as per the project progress. The point number 5. So sometime what happen is when you are submitting the projects in the project time, during the project construction time as a statement, sometimes some works getting in the meantime, when you are some works is changed, some works has procedure has changed at the site. So you need to be ensure that how the people are doing, how your engineers are doing. So that need to be reflected in the message statement again, and to revise and submit to the consultant, okay, we change this process because of this reason, and we are implementing the advanced procedure and all something. You can show to them, okay, why you are resubmitting the message, and because of these two three reasons, maybe material replace, maybe techniques, maybe tools are replaced, maybe new techniques came, new way of procedure you are implementing at site. So that also need to be resubmitted as a message. So the consultant will also aware that, okay, what you are doing at site, that is correct or incorrect. So they will, for sure, they will reply in as a in the as a report. The last one is ensure the compliance with the regulation and standards. So as a message statement, you need to ensure the local procedures, local authority, and the international standards to be implemented at the site. and to whole teams you need to be aware for the regulation and standards. So this all needed things you need to add in the method statement. After that, your method statement will look like is fantastic. And so further after that, you can you can go for the submission to the consultant, and hopefully you will get a grade. So next one is so this is the these are all the tips which I'm following before preparing the message statement, and I have to be clear on my mind before preparing the message statement. Message statement, as I told you, this is the most important documents which need to be prepared prior to start the works. So let's go to the next one. Okay, guys, thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy the video because this is a very most important topics for the QAQC engineers if they are aware. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel, and I'm pretty sure that your skills will be level up while doing while reaching the videos and all. I have introduced one WhatsApp community for especially for the MEP QAQC people who wants to be grow in the MEP QAQC field. So where you can get some resources and you can connect with the industry's expert in our WhatsApp group. We can chat together, we can learn together, we can, we will help each other to resolve your issues, and we want you to grow your skills. So that's why we introduced this WhatsApp channel. And please scan this QR code and you can join the community. And in that community we have two group. We have like electricals MEP electrical QAQC engineer and for mechanical QAQC engineer. So as per your trades and as per your convenience, you can request for that group for joining, and after that the team will review the your request, then we will approve it. And so after that you will be in the same group. And that's all about today. I hope you enjoyed a lot, and let's come back again for the next upcoming session, which is quite more and more informative. And I believe that you will get more, the informations and more experience while watching the video. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.